is lighting a fire. What a bright spark.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore few tips and tricks to teach our child how to read. When it comes to teaching kids, we as a parents will have many questions like when and how to teach alphabets, what is the right age to introduce phonics, how to teach them reading, and what is the right age for them to start learning to read. Many more questions like this. Here we will explore reading milestone and also some of the methods I used to teach my 4-year-old to read. First and foremost step in this journey is to work on vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of language. In my previous video, I have spoke in detail about how to build our kids' vocabulary and why it is so much important for developing good reading skill. I am providing link for that video in the description box below. Please check. Next step is introducing alphabet letters name. Learning alphabet is very important part in this journey. Some prefers learning letters name first, while others recommend learning sounds before name. I opt for learning letters name because of few reasons. Have you noticed many children learn to identify letters name sooner, even before they can talk fluently? This is because alphabet rhymes and videos are very catchy. Infants and toddlers love them. After watching them couple of times, they start to identify letters all around them, like on wall sticker, books, fridge magnets, so on. They also feel excited with sense of achievement. This is a major milestone in reading, and they can achieve it by themselves just by watching videos. When there is easier path, why not to choose it? Typically by age of 2, kids can recognize few letters, and by age of 3, children should be able to recite the alphabet. However, every child is different. Some toddlers may learn in their 2s and others might not pick it up until late 3s. So no worries. Mantra is to take it slow and make it fun. There are many tools available in market to teach alphabets in fun-filled way, like ABC song, videos, books, alphabet wall stickers, alphabet puzzles, and many more. Let your kids take their time to learn letters name. Once they start identifying both upper and lower case, it is time for next step, that is learning letter sound. Step number 3 is teaching phonic sounds of alphabet letters. Once your child starts to identify all letters both upper and lower case, start teaching them letter sound. English has 44 sounds, but for beginners we will start with only 26 sounds. Kids learn in different ways. Some may be auditory learner while others may be visual learner. So it is important to engage each and every sense while teaching. For example, instead of just teaching apple, give them apple to feel. Use phonic wall sticker for visual learning. Use items like toys, their favorite fruit, whatever they can connect with to teach sounds. Also, it is worth investing in some good phonic toys. Give your kid how much ever time they need to learn these 26 sounds proficiently. After learning letters name and their sounds, they will be able to identify beginning and ending sound in any given words. What is this?
Car.
When you say car, what's the beginning sound you hear?
C. Cup.
What is this?
Froggy.
Correct. When we say frog,
Yes.
frog, what's the last sound you are hearing?
Frog. frog, frog. G,
Correct. What's the letter?
G,
Very nice. The last sound is G and the letter is G.
Once your kid is comfortable identifying beginning and ending sound, then move on to middle sound identification exercise.
When I say frog, frog,
yes.
can you hear any sound between f and g? Frog in the middle.
Frog, O, A,
Very nice. And then
frog.
frog.
Ra, ra. R,
Very nice.
This stage is foundation for reading. So give how much ever time they need to master this. If they are strong in identifying sounds in a word, blending and reading becomes easier for them. Continue this for a month or two until your child becomes proficient in identifying sounds. Some phonic programs follow specific order to teach sound, like teaching S, A, T, N, I, P sounds first. This is because once they know these sounds, they can then be arranged into variety of different words like sip, sat, tip, etc. This makes sense while teaching older kid who has to catch up with reading milestone. NCERT syllabus designed in such a way that 5 to 6 year old kids should be able to read simple words. If your child is small, then he or she will have ample of time to start reading. So I don't think it is necessary to follow order while teaching smaller kids. Step number 4 is phonic reading. At this stage, your child is familiar with sounds and how it makes a word. Now you can start teaching them blending sounds to read a word. It is easier for us to say, just blend two sounds, but for beginners, it is little challenging. With practice, they will learn. Have patience and appreciate them for each attempt. Start with two letters words like at, it, am, is, so. Can you read this? At, correct.
It,
Correct. It.
am,
Correct. Am. Next, introduce CVC words and few commonly used sight words.
What's the sound?
b, at, bat,
Now can you read this?
at, cat,
Very good.
at, cat,
Like.
like, book,
Correct.
you,
Correct. Want my
her,
help? Here.
here, come,
Very good. Correct.
After covering CVC words and few frequently used sight words, your kid will be in a position to read small sentences. Or can you read this word?
yes, am,
What's this?
in the net,
Very good. Also, while reading books to them, ask your kid to read some simple words here and there in the book. This helps them become independent reader later on.
big pig is lighting a fire. What a bright spark. There is a shark in the park. Pup barked.
Gradually teach them vowels, long and small vowel sounds, digraph, and remaining other topics in phonic reading. Phonic reading is very big topic. It needs separate video altogether to explain. Please drop me a message in the comment box and let me know if you want me to make a video on this topic. Around 4 years is good time to introduce phonic reading. As I already mentioned, phonic reading is a huge topic and not everyone can afford spending that much time for teaching. No worries. These days, many phonic reading classes available. Consider few points while choosing classes, like how interactive the materials, how is their activity sheet, frequency of classes, and also teacher-student ratio. I prefer having only one session a week because kids will get lot of time to work on each topic before jumping to next. This brings me to the end of my video. Thank you for your time and all the very best. Please drop me a message in the comment box and let me know your feedback. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Thank you.